Sorry, 2 minutes. I'm not going to interrupt you. Guys, he's answering. Can you stop him? He's answering.
At that point, I asked you a second question. That is, if that is the case, what lets you marry
1 minute, 30
child
seconds
in Islam? And you just made a statement that is false in Islam. That's what you said. So why? We have the verses in Quran itself. It says, and even in
Say what?
In other
1 minute, 20 seconds.
you can marry your own child if that girl is born out of wedlock. Why you can do that in Islam?
Brilliant. Great, no problem. That's his time. Now my 2 minutes. My 2 minutes without interruption. First of all, he did not give an answer. Why sleeping with one's mother is wrong. He keeps saying science says that. Science doesn't say anything about sleeping with one's mother. Science has nothing to say with sleeping with one's mother. Science simply says if you sleep with a human being, another human being, this will happen. That will happen.
So wait.
It doesn't. I didn't interrupt you. It doesn't say why it's wrong or why it's right. It doesn't say that. So science is not his defense. He has no answer. The conclusion is he has no answer. Second point he raised. Your Quran says you can sleep with your child. If the your Quran. Wait. You when you marry you sleep. Do you have a wife?
No,
Do you have a wife? Do you have a wife? Do you sleep with her? Do you sleep with her? Okay, clearly you sleep with your wife, right? If you're married. So he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child, right? I want him to now. If you are fair, everyone listening, I want him to pull out the ayah from the Quran, the verse where it says you can marry your child. If he does not pull that out, then know that this guy is not only a lame Zionist, a lame BJP apologist, he's a liar also, like the BJP propagandists and all the Zionist scumbags. He's a liar. He's a liar who's lying upon our faith because they can do nothing but lie. And today is his exposure day. All the Muslims of India, spread this. This is janaza for this guy who claims things online, and when he's faced with challenges, he has nothing. He's going to pull out the ayah from the Quran now and time up.
It's time.
Time up. It's your time.
I'm taking the verse.
Yeah. Start his time. 2 minutes. When you make a claim, you should have the verse on your fingertips. You should know the verse.
He has to look at his notes. Once he forgets.
Start his time.
He started already, yeah? 1 minute.
No. It's not.
Left.
Wait. Let me take the verse, then you can start the time.
Now I knew why he didn't want to debate. He doesn't. Like,
This is why these people don't want to debate. They know when faced with Muslims who study their faith,
1 minute,
they have
10
nothing but embarrassment. He doesn't even know science. He doesn't know philosophy. He doesn't know why he's ex-Muslim. He doesn't even know anything about Islam because he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child. I want that verse. The Quran saying you can marry your child. I want that verse now.
30 seconds left.
Or apologize to all the Indian Muslims. All the Indian Muslims in India, you have been demonizing and dehumanizing. Apologize to them. Say, I'm sorry. All Muslims, I'm a fool, I'm an idiot. I'm a Zionist, that's why I'm an idiot. I'm sorry.
Okay, your time is up.
Yeah.
Adnan, your time now.
It's my time.
It's your time now.
It's
Your
my
time
time.
is up. You have to.
Now my time. Clearly, ladies and gentlemen, there is no verse in the Quran that says you can marry your child.
ChatGPT now.
No, guys, are you here to help me or are you here to cause problems? I hope he's not paying you.
Don't help him. Let him find.
If you make noise, you're helping him.
Adnan, it's your time.
Yeah.
So ask him
So,
another question.
ladies and gentlemen, he does not have this verse because this verse does not exist. We know the Quran. It's not there. These are liars. When they say they're ex-Muslim, they want money from the BJP government, they want money from the Zionists, and they want visits, tours to Israel so that they can be given platform to talk to ignorant fools. Right? Now we are talking. Show me the verse or you will apologize like a gentleman if you want. You're a kafir and not every kafir is fully evil. Okay? There are kuffar who have principles. I hope you are one of those kuffar who has principles. Now my question is, if a person you cannot prove can sleep with his mother, then why would we follow what you are following? Why would we follow when you have no moral values to offer? When you have nothing to offer in return? You're saying you're ex-Muslim, I'm a kafir, I'm a proud Zionist, I'm a proud BJP, you're proud everything. But